Hi everyone, it's Han here at catcancode.com. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a thing that I find very interesting. I bet many of us are familiar with a type of Indonesian instant noodle called Migoreng. This type of noodles quite tasty. Here's a pack of 5 Migoreng noodle packs. But this is not what I'm going to show you today. The other day when I went to a supermarket near my place, I found this. It's called Chitato. The same brand, Indomie, Migoreng, and it said fried noodle flavor. So in this video, I will show you whether this Migoreng potato chips taste the same as the Migoreng fried noodles. I haven't tried this before, so I'm very excited to give it a go. The first thing that I noticed is the package. This Migoreng Indomie potato chip bag is very small compared to other potato chips bags. It smells similar. Okay, look like a normal potato chips, but inside the bag, as you can see, the bag there's not a lot of empty space. In many potato chips bags, there's very little chips inside a very huge bag. Most of the thing inside is just air, but for this one, like more than half of the bag is chips, which is good. Smell very similar to the Migoreng noodle, but less intense. Let's see how does it taste. Wow, this is actually pretty good. It tastes similar but a bit more spicy. The overall taste is very similar to Migoreng, but I guess the main difference is one is the noodle, so you have to put it in water and dry it, but it's still very soft. But this one is this Migoreng potato chips is very crunchy. It's pretty good. If you like Migoreng, I think you will enjoy this Migoreng chips. I just find it very interesting, very funny. I have been eating the Migoreng noodles for so many years. It helped me to go through my student life. Like when you don't have time, you can quickly have some Migoreng noodles with eggs or vegetable, but the price is not so cheap. One pack of Migoreng potato chips is almost the same price as 5 packs of Migoreng noodles. The price are pretty much the same, so you get less quantity, but I think this is more convenient. You don't need water, you don't need hot water, you don't need bowl or chopstick. You can just have it with your fingers. You don't have to do any preparation, and it tastes very similar. Give it a try. Alright guys, let me finish this. This is like the spicy Migoreng. It's good. Alright guys, let's get back to the main message. This is my first video of 2019, and I just want to say Happy New Year and thank you for all the views and support from you guys in 2018, and looking forward to have you guys around in the next this year and in the next few years. Goodbye.